My name is Muhammad Yasir. I got second rank in AMU BLLB entrance test. I would like to thank Tharuyan classes for their tremendous efforts and support, especially Kazim sir. He is true magician of English. With his help only did I manage to get 35 out of 40 in English. As you all know that English is the most important portion to clear VLLB entrance test, as it consists more than one third of the paper. Uh, other other uh, Other faculties of Thurian classes is amazing too. I would suggest my juniors to join Thurian classes. Think for law, go for Thurian classes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sidra Khan and I've cleared my AMU BA LLB entrance 2024. I've secured rank 71 and I belong to external as well as general category. I would really like to thank the entire team of Tharuyan classes. They have been really helpful and encouraging throughout my entire journey, and their mock series have personally helped me a lot. And as you all know, this year question paper was a little bit surprising to all of us because there was not much of quality questions as we were expecting, but English saved all of us really. And I would give all the credit to Tharuyan classes, of course, because I've done my entire English course as well as other reasoning and all subject from here only. So if you are someone who is looking for a proper guidance or support to clear the entrance perfectly in the upcoming years for Jamia or Aligarh, both the institutions, you should definitely look up for Tharuyan classes because the entire team, the teachers are just perfect.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Shabit Osif and I selected in AMU LLB entrance exam. I secured rank 113 in entrance. I prepare for my entrance from Tharuyan classes. My experience with Tharuyan classes was good. This institute consists of highly experienced and well qualified teachers, especially Kazim sir, one of the best English teachers. His teaching style was so different. Because of him I got 29 marks in English portion, and you all know that this year paper was totally unexpected. Paper pattern was changed, but fortunately Tharuyan classes teachers prepared us for worst, and other faculties are also good, like Nuruddin sir for GS, Asad sir for reasoning. They all are very good teachers, and I want to tell you some important points you have to keep in your mind when you are preparing for entrance exam. Number one is revision, the second one is consistency, and the third, the most important thing, is sources. Stick only on one source, one authentic source. If you are the 12th class student and droppers who wants to...
Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, I got selected for a BLLB program at Aligarh Muslim University with the rank of 16. I couldn't have done it without a lot of hard work and support of my family, friends and teachers. I want to give a big acknowledgement to some amazing teachers who helped me along the way. Kazim sir. Kazim sir English classes were fantastic and really boosted my score. Asad sir. Asad sir guided me through reasoning aptitude, making even the toughest problem easier to handle. And Nuruddin sir. Nuruddin sir lessons in polity were super helpful and giving me a clear understanding of the subject. Their support and encouragement from my Tharuyan classes pushed me to do my best and believe in myself. And to all the students who are preparing for the exams, I just want to say work hard, practice regularly.
Hey everyone, my name is Sidra Khanam. I'm external. I cracked my AMU BFL exam of 2024 with 23rd rank. I got this achievement because of teachers and the faculty of Tharuyan classes. In this exam, the English was doable, but because of Kazim sir, all the questions were trivial for me. I would really thanks to all the teachers who supported me and give me good source from I can achieve my goal. The student who was preparing for their competitive exam and wants to get a good rank, so must go Tharuyan classes. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Amir Rashid and I am external. I cracked my BA Foreign Language exam in AMU with 29 rank, and I am very thankful of Tharuyan classes, and I achieved my goal because of teacher of Tharuyan classes and Kazim sir especially.